Richmond Hill has a proud tradition of protecting, enhancing, and restoring its natural environment. And we have a community that knows the power behind one small action. We know that Richmond Hill is changing. Over the next 20 to 30 years, our urban centers and our population will grow, while the impacts of climate change will become more frequent and severe. How can we continue to protect the places we love as our community changes and grows? We can do it sustainably. We can make smart choices today to ensure future generations enjoy a high quality of life. But we need fresh ideas and lots of small everyday actions. Greening the Hill, the city's environment strategy, brings together residents, businesses, and partners to help turn ideas into action. Like our city, our strategy is also evolving to address sustainability in 3 ways: greening our growth, greening our consumption, and greening our natural spaces. As we create a greener Richmond Hill, we can also create a more resilient Richmond Hill. Our Community Energy and Emissions Plan will help guide our response to climate change so that as we grow stronger. Let's make our tradition of environmental action part of our transformation into a sustainable, resilient community. Every small action counts. Visit richmondhill.ca/environment to see how you can help.